How to download and install Topaz AI on your PC or laptop. First, open Google Chrome and search for Topaz AI. Then open the official website topazlabs.com. Once the site loads, move your mouse over the desktop apps section at the top and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Downloads. Now on the Downloads page, you'll see different applications like Topaz Video, Topaz Photo, and Topaz Gigapixel. You can choose whichever one you want. After that, choose your operating system, either Windows or Mac. So if you're on Windows, click on the Windows option. As soon as you click it, the installer will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click on the installer file to start the installation. Then, click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. After that, it will ask for the installation location. Just leave it as default and continue. Then it may ask for a data directory location. You can just leave it as it is and click Next. Now on the custom setup page, you don't really need to change anything. Just keep everything as default. The installation process will begin, and after a few moments, Topaz AI will be installed successfully. Now just launch the application, and you can start editing videos, enhancing quality, upscaling footage, and doing a lot more with it.